Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So actually it is very simple. All you have to do is to simply enter the security. Of course, agree to all the give all the permissions, and as you can see here we've got the security scan, so simply tap on it, of course agree, and let's wait a second. Right now your device is checking itself in order to find any malware or the viruses. It is also checking the payment environment, the privacy and security, and the virus. So just wait and let's see if this device is safe. And as you can see, in my case everything looks good. There's nothing to remove, nothing to get rid of, but of course if your device will find the malware or virus or any problems, actually it will list it right here and you will be able to get rid of them. So actually this is it. This is how to virus scan your Xiaomi 11T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.